innocent. Why would they even do this for fun?
We're headed out to Vegas tomorrow, and I got the kids some back of the seat car organizers. We went to Dollar Tree, picked up a bunch of stuff, and they are currently organizing their car organizers so that everything is within reach. And yeah, so we're gonna spend a couple days in Vegas, and then we're gonna head to Disneyland after that. So come along with us for the ride. All right, Lace, what you got? You getting it all in there?
Yeah. Wait, I can go here's. That's my big fella.
That one is probably not going to fit into this.
Mom, I can put my markers into this one. See?
Yeah, you could.
Hey, so this is meant for them to be able to put like a tablet and like watch it through
Yeah,
the screen?
that's supposed to be for a tablet.
Mom, where's my little
Okay,
car?
well, that'll be nice.
We got a 2-pack on Amazon.
Download some like couple movies for
Mom, I
them.
can't put mine in.
You can't put what in?
You don't need a download.
That one's a little bit too big. We probably won't be able to fit that one in there. But we could have that on the side of the car for you. Okay, here's how we're looking so far.
Mom, will you buckle this up?
Yep. So they got their spots all ready to go. Clara's back here. And she'll have those on the back there. It's always the day before you go that time goes so slow and you just want to go and have fun. So yeah, packing up the car. We're mostly packed, getting everything else done. We have a bunch of orders that we got to get done before we leave and get all those out. And then we can go tomorrow. All right, today that we're leaving, I have a nail appointment. So I'm gonna go get my nails done in a little mini Mickey fashion. And then after that, we're gonna be on our way. We are now on the way. Yay! Kind of.
Got a couple more stops.
Gotta go to the gas station, but I got my nails done with some Mickeys on them. Thought those were super cute. Couple more stops and we'll be officially on the way to Vegas.
Who is that?
Where are we at, Lacey?
We're at In-N-Out
Why?
to get food.
Because you're starving. She's starving.
And let me see.
Starving. Look at all this stuff.
Disneyland.
We're going to
Full speed over at
Disneyland.
After we go to Las Vegas.
After we go to Las Vegas, that's right. We're stopping at In-N-Out. Kids were hungry.
No, I'm not hungry.
I was hungry, kids were hungry. Getting a
Take a
little
run with some In-N-Out.
getting a little food before we go on the road. We were gonna leave an hour and a half ago. An hour ago?
Something.
It's now almost 1.
Look at this.
Look at this
Brownies and cherries.
I got raspberry flavor.
We're at Nelson's in St. George. Took a little pit stop, get some ice cream.
I got ice cream
How
and
is it?
vanilla. Oreo.
Oh, are you looking at me?
Yep. Did we make it?
Yes. Stop. And I need to go to the bathroom.
Clara's gotta go potty. So we made it, and according to Lacey, everything is beautiful, and we need to live here.
Then turn left.
This one. Oh, this one. Oh, Lacey, flash me running. This is so fancy. Oh, stop. It almost on me. It's a long hallway. It's a long. I'm acting.
Yay.
Why is it so scary?
Turn on the lights.
Mom? Whoa, whoa, this is actually so nice. Don't ask me.
What you think?
It's nice.
Yeah, not too shabby.
2 bedrooms, 2 baths. Can't really, look at that tub.
I know Harvey said that bath is the nicest thing he's ever seen.
I'm gonna.
The cleanest.
I'm washing myself. Is this the one with the blaster?
Of night 1. Getting kids ready for bed. We sleep with fans on in our house, so this phone is going to be their white noise. I'm gonna have to download a white noise machine for them. But we're going to bed.
Can you do on mine?
Do what on yours?
Make white noise.
I'll put white noise on the phone and leave it in here.
Yeah, that says it'll connect.
Yeah, you'll hear it. I don't know.
Got my Mickey shirt on.
He is excited for Disney. All right, you want to say goodnight? Good night.
It does look cozy in here.
Grumpy good night, but good night. All right, we're all ready. We're headed off to the strip. What was that? Did you just fart?
No, they don't. I just pulled the seat in this drawer and the knob came off.
Oh.
Hey, don't touch that.
We're gonna go to the M&M factory, to the Coca-Cola factory. We're going to
Eat some cheese.
eat some cheese, apparently. And,
Oh, we should try that Coca-Cola
yeah.
sampler thing.
I know, we've never done that. That would be fun. There's also places with arcades. Our kids love arcades, so
And we're gonna go to some arcades.
yeah, we're gonna go find some arcades and play some games.
And we're gonna ride a bus.
We're gonna go ride a bus. Yep, that's pretty silly. All right, let's go.
Guys, this one tastes like earwax.
This tastes like barbecue.
No doubt.
Soda.
This one tastes so horrible. Look, there's cucumber Sprite right here. Chick-fil-A sauce for me.
Harvey says it tastes like, smells like Chick-fil-A sauce.
Oh, it kind of does, yeah.
What?
Smell like Chick-fil-A sauce?
After he mentioned it, yeah. This one smells like medicine. Actually,
All right, we got a couple more to go through.
it's like medicine.
Is that 12? Is that number 12?
Yes.
That one's the Fanta Colita. It's from Costa Rica.
That tastes like
Let me
medicine.
try it.
Cool. That tastes like medicine. Daddy, that tastes like medicine.
It's not bad.
Let me try it.
It's still got a florally thing to it.
It tastes like the medicine I like.
Oh, this is Inca Cola. This stuff is delicious.
Can I try it? It tastes like the bubble gum. Like medicine, kind of. It tastes like the bubble gum medicine.
This tastes like bubble gum.
I want to try. It does. It does. That's so good. This one smells like pineapple. Why would they even do this?
That one's good. It tastes like bubble gum.
I want to try it again. Why would they even do this for fun?
What?
Why would they even do this for fun?
Why would they do this for fun?
Yeah.
You don't think it's fun?
This one here,
No, that's probably the
Fanta
grossest
Melon
one.
Frosty
Yeah,
from
that.
Thailand.
Oh, that's. Let me have it after that. No.
Ooh, it is melony.
Oh, I'm gonna try my melon.
It's just like a
want Clara to drink all of the barbecue wine.
Which one do you want me to drink all of?
And then we got a cinnamon root beer.
Try that. How was that?
It's good.
That's the green one. We all have to try the worst one again. We all have to drink this one. We all have to drink this. We all have to drink that one again.
No, I want Lacey to drink this.
I think if Mom drinks any more of this, I'm gonna throw up.
What, drinking more
Yeah.
soda? The ginger beer wasn't too bad. This was the strawberry Fanta. It's gone. This one was good. This was the raspberry.
Someone get some cucumber Sprite. All of this one.
I don't know.
This one does not taste good.
Look at all that chocolate.
Lacey, really see those kisses over there?
What, those?
Lacey's begging for one of those.
Oh my gosh. That's humongous.
It's gotta be hollow. It's not even that heavy.
You want a picture? There we go.
I'm testing this out. Daddy,
You need to get some
We didn't go
chocolate.
to M&M
Daddy,
factory.
Yeah.
can I get this?
Day 2 in Vegas, we're gonna go do some arcade playing. I think we had enough of the strip yesterday. We had enough adventures that we're not gonna go on it again. We're just gonna go find some arcades to play off the strip, do some fun things like that, and see what other adventures we can find in Vegas for kids. But then tomorrow we're off to Disney. You got it! Nice. Show me all those cards.
We have like so many cards. I love this a coin pusher game. And every card equals 100 tickets and so many cards. If we get those all of those cards, we get 2,500 tickets.
Lacey's done. She's bored. And she's hungry. But we bought so many credits that we have to use them all. Alright, we are headed out of Vegas, headed to California today. So we are packing up, getting everything ready to go. And next stop, Disneyland.
Pappy, next stop is Disneyland. Wait, don't go. I need to show you my big owl.
Yes, we did Dave and Buster's yesterday and won so many things.
No, we did the claw machine we did the claw machine, like the stuffed animal. Flying pig! And since they just filled them up, since they just probably filled the claw machines up, we got like so many stuffed animals from the claw machine. We got like 1 or 2 of every stuffed animal in the claw machine. And how much tickets did we get again?
We got 22,000 tickets.
And that's how I got my big owl.
Yeah, big owl. We got a pig. We got all the things.
I
Got so many things from Dave & Buster's yesterday. Thing to do, not on the strip.
I got this really soft dinosaur.
Mm-hmm. And a blanket.
It's so soft.
All the things. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. We are going to stop this one right here and pick up in our next one, heading to Disneyland. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe before you leave, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!